Please like, subscribe, and click the notification button. Out here in Panama, beautiful, bright and sunny day. The first excursion, we're gonna go to a cooking class so we can make some Panamanian cuisine. Going to the fish market right now, walk in there, taking a little tour and see what views we can see.
I'm from San Francisco and he's from Belize.
Yeah, the city was sort of designed for cars, not for people. That's why it's a little bit chaotic. Sidewalks like end. You have El Carmen Virgin, which is like the patron virgin for the sailors. So this is the fish market. So a lot of things that we see here were fished last night. Let me know if you guys want pictures. I'm a professional.
Sure.
Okay.
People usually like eat and fish-wise corvina, piba, grouper. Señora Nelly. Hola, ¿cómo está? Vengo de parte de Jorge.
Jorge. Bueno, sí.
Así que no puedo hacer la gira, así que la estoy haciendo yo.
So here they are preparing the fish for us so that we can take with us for our cooking class.
Me that are mestizo that will have
Heading back to El Nacional
I
restaurant.
saw that. Just one of our Uber drivers. She's really nice. I said, oh, he doesn't look like Asian at all.
Panama Chinatown.
It's not dangerous to walk around.
At night, yes. Kind of like Times Square of the 1910s, 20s, 30s, 40s. At the end of Avenida Central, you would have the train station, or showing that previous splendor.
Right.
This is where the average Panamanian buys their shoes, purses, school uniforms. Would you guys like a coconut water?
Sure.
A store like this will be owned by a Chinese person. They can either be like a new immigrant that recently immigrated to Panama, or they fourth generation Chinese.
Here we're ordering our coconut waters. They're pulling it out of the fridge and then they're making a hole for us to put a straw in, fresh and cold. Now it's time to try the coconut.
What? Yay!
The plantain is one of the main carbohydrates that the
Super good.
Panamanian consumes. Region Caribbean, you can have it green like this,
Yes.
as pataco, and mash it up more and fry it again.
Yeah.
Then you have the sweet plantain when it turns kind of like it's going bad. It's almost,
That's my favorite.
yeah.
The coconut was refreshing and fresh. It was really good.
Like in apple section, there's obviously the malaria and the yellow fever.
Heading back to El Nacional restaurant.
We don't really get the pasta all the time.
Ones. The other ones come, the
What do you
smaller
guys call
one.
them? Just avocados?
Yeah.
Yeah, because them they refer to them as pears.
being wiped out after for almost 300 years. 80% of the population in Panama. One of the oldest restaurants.
I heard about this
area.
one. Yes.
Fidel Castro ate here.
Oh, okay.
A lot of famous people ate here.
Yes.
Very, very popular. It's the only restaurant that Coca-Cola allows it to have the name.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the proper name. Entrance to the city. Right here. Casco Viejo back in the day, 1617. Early 1800s. This was the entrance. Casco was fortified. It was a walled city. A lot of times, one candle was like the whole way was on fire. So it had to be rebuilt. Yeah, that's like City Hall. Like a municipal building. The main square is where like the city would grow from. That's where they would pretty much kind of divide the area into squares.
Yeah.
And the people that lived in the center were obviously the wealthiest. And the people in the government and in the church. The main power, church and government. Interoceanic Canal Museum, that's where the French administrated their project from at one point. The Central Hotel, one of the oldest hotels in Panama. You have the apostles based on original statues made out of wood that you can find in the San Jose Church that were brought from the original San Jose Church that was in Panama here. There's been multiple generations of churches, cathedrals. Now it's a basilica.
Yes.
Because it has religious artifacts.
We are back. We're doing great. Thank you.